Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 13th question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1, number 13 reads, each year the value of an investment increases by 0.49% of its value the previous year. I'm terrible at underlining, apparently. Which of the following functions best models how the value of the investment changes over time? So first of all, you see it's increasing. So you get rid of decreasing. By the way, stick around to the end if you want to have a thorough understanding of this. Now, generally, if it's a number increase per whatever, so in other words, if Johnny gets an allowance of $7 per week, then it's going to be linear. So if it's a percent, if it's a percent per previous, then it's going to be exponential. But if it's a percent per original, it's going to be linear. So an example would be like, let's say an investment increases 7% per year. Then if it's $100 and it increases 7%, now it's $107 after the first year. Now, if it increases 7% of the previous year, now it's increasing 7% of 107, not 7% of that original 100. That's why it's going to be exponential. It's going to increase more and more each year. If it's increasing by a percent of the original, you have $100, and it increases 7%, now it's 107. If it increases 7% of the original, that's increasing 7% of that original 100, so it's just going to increase by another $7, and it's 114. So anyway, what do we have here? It's a percent increase of the previous year, so it's going to be exponential. So what's the thorough understanding here? Well, if you're increasing by 0.49%, as a decimal, it would be 1.0049. Okay? Because remember, what you're always doing to go from a percent to a decimal is move the decimal point twice to the left. But then if it's an increase, it's 1 plus that value. So that's what you would be multiplying the previous year by every single time. And what you would get, even though it's a small percentage, it's going to be exponential growth. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with increasing, decreasing, whether it's exponential or linear. And you could pause this video to write down everything that I said about exponential and linear increases. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Click that bell button. And check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, go to the playlists, and then find Test 3, Module 1, or whatever test and module number you're looking at. The shorter videos just below these longer videos. And have a great day.